Shayateen is always plotting, my friends, and he comes at us in ways we never expect, depending on where we are in life. When we are riding high spirituality, he is there, whispering thoughts of arrogance, convincing us that we are somehow better than others. He makes us feel like we are perfect, that our deeds are flawless. He gets us to focus on others, pointing out their flaws, judging them harshly, while we forget to examine our own hearts. This is the trap of pride, and it's one of the Shaitan's most dangerous tactics. Even for those who are knowledgeable, Shaitan tries to turn that knowledge into arrogance, making them feel self reliant as if they no longer need Allah's guidance. But when we are down, when we feel spiritually low, Shaitan switches his strategy. Now he uses despair. He whispers that we are too far gone, that our sins are too many, and that we might as well give up. He tells us, you can't pray now, you can't go to the masjid, you had be a hypocrite. Why even try? He wants us to believe that the religious people are judgmental, and so it's better to stay with bad company, where we don't be judged. Shaitan plays on our weaknesses, convincing us that if we can't be perfect, then we might as well give up entirely. He even makes us question our hijab, saying that it's only for those who are pure, as if you must be an angel to wear it. He convinces us that there's no hope of ever turning back to Allah. But listen closely. These are the lies of Shayateen. None of us are perfect, not the sinner, not the scholar, no one. All of us are worthy of Allah's mercy. There is no sin too great for Allah to forgive. Even if you have sinned all your life, the mercy of Allah is far greater than all your mistakes combined. Remember this, Allah's mercy is infinite, and every sin in this world is finite. No matter how far you think you have fallen, His mercy will always be greater than your fall. To those who feel high in their spirituality, remember, no matter how much knowledge or worship you have, it does not make you perfect. You can always improve, and every good deed, every moment of pity is a gift from Allah. Be humble, for any arrogance over your pity is ingratitude for the blessings Allah has given you. And for those who feel lost, those who think they are too far gone, there is no distance too great for a single sincere tawbah to bridge. Allah is waiting for you to return, and no matter how far you have strayed, His mercy will bring you back home. Never give up. Amin. Like and subscribe for more Allah message.